सारे हमारे जो नए टैलेंट्स लॉन्च हो रहे हैं और स्टेज पर मैं स्वागत करना चाहूंगा द वन एंड ओनली सलमान खान सर का।
थैंक यू, शुक्रिया।
So you want to say something to all? वैसे तो पागल होते ही हैं सब लोग, लेकिन यहाँ तो फ्रंट रो से लेकर बैक रो सब लोग पागल हो ही गए हैं।
एक बड़ा ही स्ट्रेंज सवाल है, अनोखा सा सवाल है कि ये ट्रेलर आपको कैसा लगा? अनयूजुअल सवाल था ये।
अच्छा, लेकिन सर ट्रेलर तो अच्छा हो गया, लेकिन आपकी एक जो प्रथा बन गई है, बहुत सारे खूबसूरत नौजवान युवकों को आप लॉन्च करते हैं। आई रियली लव दैट, दैट्स फैंटास्टिक। सो वीड लाइक टू मीट देम।
This is the third.
This is the third.
launch.
Actually, we were discussing सलमान सर के साथ, मुझे भी मौका मिला स्टेज पर। This is the third new. I don't want to call them newcomers because I guess that they've really given it their all. लेकिन new promising talent that is being launched. We'd love to see them and we'd love for you to call them on
First we
stage.
start with Suraj and Atiya.
That's right, sir.
And then
Ayush.
and Varina. And now Zahir Iqbal and Pranutan.
But Salman sir, this is, you know, I'll tell you something. इतने सारे ख्वाब के साथ लोग आते हैं बॉलीवुड में. You know, they want to make it onto the big screen. You've seen so many seasons. You know, they've come and they've gone. So I obviously read it. It's very widely reported on Wikipedia. You saw him dancing at Arpita ki shadi and performing, and you said, "Bas."
No, that's not the first time I saw him.
Yeah.
I saw Zahiro when his father came to me. He said कि मेरे पापा और मम्मी ने मुम्मू के मम्मा और पापा के साथ बैठ के शरबत पिए, तो ऐसे शरबत पिए रिश्ता पक्का हो गया. That is when, before he was even conceived, I've known this dude.
But when you saw him, was he
And
full hero
I still
material?
remember, I still owe his father 2011 rupees. वही ना आंकड़ा, हाँ वही ना 2011 रुपए.
ब्याज के साथ तो बढ़ गया होगा अभी सर.
अब खुद से अब ये चुका के देगा भाई.
So were you, when he did see you there, so it happens to so many people.
This one झोल they did with me
अच्छा.
on his sister's wedding. तो इकबाल comes to me से यार वो शादी में तो आना है, आऊँगा. तो इसको संगीत स्टार्ट नहीं करेंगे इन लोग, तो ऐसे मैं आ जाऊँगा यार, साजिद के साथ मैं आ जाऊँगा वहाँ पर. तो हम लोग घर पे बैठे थे, तो ऐसे चलो, तो फिर संगीत स्टार्ट किया इन्होंने. पूरी फिल्म बनाई थी इन्होंने, वीडियो, डांस, परफॉर्मेंस वगैरह वगैरह. इनको पता था कि ये मैं आऊँगा वहाँ पर और ये साइन हो जाएगा.
ये था वैसे थॉट ना?
इंटेंशन वैसा नहीं था, लेकिन
वही इंटेंशन था. इंटेंशन वही था और वो कामयाब हो गया. लेकिन उसके बाद 5 years this boy struggled really hard. तो 5 साल he was worked with me, trained with me, assistant in Jai Ho. तो बहुत मेहनत की इसने. And Pranutan, you don't want to be lawyer anymore?
Never.
Huh?
No.
अरे become lawyer. So her father, Monia. So I've known Monia. Monia is Monish Bahal. So I remember he used to be shooting 3 shifts.
सर आज सारे पोल खुलने वाले हैं. Yes, बिल्कुल.
So I was struggling. The only one thing I used to do, go to Sea Rock as a model assistant and go and work out in the gym where I was underage, which he had to pay for, because Prabhu was the Prabhu was the general manager then. He, at that point in time, didn't have much respect for me. I don't think even now he has it. But so he used to have this panga with me. He used to keep me out of the gym. So whenever he was not there, I used to go into the gym. He used to pay for it. And so one day he comes on the bench. I was working out. He says, move out to the bench. I said, why? He said, I'm really tired, man. I've been doing 3 shifts. I shot in Mumbai, then I went to Hyderabad. And I've just come back and it's just too tiring. You know, dude, I wish God gives me a break. Next week, his film released, Teri Baahon Mein.
Wow.
God did listen to him. God gave him the longest break. And then I got a film called Maine Pyar Kiya. Okay? And Raj Babu.
तालियां हो जाए, मैंने प्यार किया ऐसा मिला. Yeah.
The first person to sign me was Raj Babu. He passed away yesterday. God bless his soul. So I went and met Raj Babu and they signed me for a film. उसमें एक negative lead था. So I said, you know, why don't you try Munish Bahl? He said, नहीं, नूतन जी के बेटे उनको negative में कैसे ले सकते हैं? तो I turned around and said, if Monish gets to know about this, he will die. So I went to Nutan ji. And then I got her from Sagar Sangeet, from Kaf Parade, to meet Raj Babu. And she convinced Raj Babu that my son, God gave him a long break. Right now he's under BMWs and Mercedes Benz and repairing cars. वो तो अभी भी चल रहा है इनका. So that is how he got into मैंने प्यार किया then.
वैसे आप सर बहुत मेहनत करते हैं. People don't realize this. You go to any lengths to help a lot of the people that you see that have talent.
Not help, the deserving candidates, not anybody.
Can I just give a mic to Monish sir? Okay. Yeah.
So Athiya and Suraj is not the first break the Salman's given. I was the first. Yeah.
Super. Well, it's about payback time now.
And after he gave me that break, see where his career went.
Pranutan, are you overwhelmed?
Oh, yeah, very, very overwhelmed. I'm also a little nervous of this banter. I don't know where this is heading. So I'm just keeping quiet because they have a lot of stories. Yeah. Which
Salman sir with his friends will have a lot of stories. Lekin, did she convince you first shot only? Did Pranutan, were you convinced in one shot?
Yeah, before even seeing the rushes, I told him she's on. She did a screen test. So I said, she's on. I mean, I've interacted with her. She's out. And she's amazing in the film. Amazing. And she's so good with her lines and itni asani se dialogues. And the most important thing is, wo jo inflammatory dialogue jo hote hain na ekdam aise wale, wo bade asani se aate hain.
Wonderful.
Oh, thank you.
Lots has been said. अब सलमान सर ने तो बड़ी तारीफें कर दी दोनों की. और अगर ज़हीर के इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट पर जाओ तो हर 5वां पिक्चर इनके 6 पैक का होता है. So the beauty is that obviously here we're not seeing that. तो बहुत काम करना पड़ा या easy था?
Easy था, बहुत easy था. I think Pranutan and Zahir both are, as Salman sir just said, deserving candidates to be launched, because they're very hungry, I would say, and they worked like how they've been. I think they went through a training of 3 months, and they've just, you'll see the film. They are, I don't want to say
3 months on this film,
fantastic.
but they've been training for the last 5 years.
Wow. So Murad sir, if I ask you, जब न्यू टैलेंट को लॉन्च किया जाता है, थोड़ा सा हल्का सा स्ट्रेस रह सकता है. वो क्या खरे उतरेगी सारे लोगों की उम्मीदों पर, फिर आपके डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स पर, फिर प्रोड्यूसर पर, ये सारे सवाल होते हैं. तो वो बेचारे ऑलरेडी अंडर प्रेशर रहते हैं, लेकिन आप पर प्रेशर रहता है कि नहीं रहता है?
प्रेशर तो रहता है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है न्यू कमर कोई भी फिल्म बनाओ प्रेशर तो रहता है. अगर एस्टैब्लिश एक्टर है वो भी
नहीं, एस्टैब्लिश एक्टर में ऑलरेडी छोटा सा फैन बेस अगर रहता है,
हाँ,
वो लोग मानते हैं.
लेकिन उसमें भी प्रेशर तो होता है.
नहीं, उसमें होता है भाई, हम झेल चुके हैं. उसमें पैसे कभी कभी वापस देने पड़ते हैं.
लाइक आई सेड सर, एक रात, वो एक छोटी सी एक ऐसी रात रहती है. अश्विन सर, वुड यू से दैट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू, हाउ शुड आई से, टू कन्विंस? आप लोग बहुत अलग अलग फिल्में बना रहे. दिस ईयर यू गॉट लाइक 3 big releases that are coming up. 2018 was a very different year. 2018 ने लोगों की आंखें खोल दी हैं, you know, for the kind of content cinema जो driven चल रहा है, you know, as producers. इसके बारे में आप double take हुआ है कि resetting the clock as far as your content is concerned and the thought is concerned?
No, I don't think so, yeah, because I think content has always worked. I think people have just realized it last year that content works, but if content didn't work, films won't work. So content has always been king.
People came with no expectations, and from May to now is apparently like it's been a crazy golden run box office wise.
Yeah, but it's always happened in every year from the 70s, 80s. You see, the year when the first Golmaal release, which Amol Palekar, that was the biggest hit of the year, and that was during Bachchan's prime. So it did more business than any of his films. So content has always worked. So I believe this is not a new thing. So.
It's a different kind of launch. Also, it's a like you said, it's a different love story. Zahiro, were you a little bit nervous at all? I saw you getting a little nervous. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे तुम अपने नाखून चबा बैठोगे.
Yeah, I'm slightly nervous. It hit me today morning that the world is going to see my work that I've done. They know how good or bad you are at what you do. So it's nerve-wracking.
तो अभी जो तुमने सबके सामने देखी है, वो फील आ रही थी क्या? Were you able to be non-objective and say मैंने ठीक काम किया है?
No, I feel I did a good job.
That's great. Salman sir, are you able to be non-objective? Or when you're watching the stuff that you are producing and you are making, ऐसा हो सकता है कि okay, I can be non-biased.
To kill him. No. I have to kill him. If I don't like something, I ask him to do it over and over again.
Really?
Now there was one dance step that he could not get. So I had to stand up and just imagine, I had to stand up and show it to him. लेकिन वो थोड़ा तो भलता था. So I had to stand up and show him the dance step. Then he's gone and he's rehearsed about 4-5 hours with him in the studio. Then he's gone, he's rehearsed it all night and he's gone and done it. So he's very hard working.
You know what we're going to ask you to do now, ना? ये जो डांस स्टेप इतना मुश्किल था, जो शायद आ नहीं रहा था, डांस स्टेप देखना है आपको?
नहीं अभी पर्दे पे देखो, पता नहीं खराब कर यहाँ पे तो. Thank you.
Listen. This is now अभी दरवाजा खुल चुका है. अब हर कोई तुम्हें हर चीज पे there'll be.
It's not a step that was hard. It was a whole long sequence, which
you can't get away from it
on screen.
उसका 5 सेकंड का तुम्हें हल्का सी बुमरो वाला तो कर लो यार, वो जो कर रहे थे, वो हम लोग देखना चाहेंगे. Do you want to see it? अब तो तालियां हो जाना, जबरदस्त किया. अच्छा, इस टाइम पर मैं एक ऐसे बंदे को स्टेज पे बुलाना चाहूंगा जिसने म्यूजिक दिया इस फिल्म का. एंड सोलो कंपोजर्स बड़े मुश्किल होते हैं. उसकी आवाज भी इन द ट्रेलर थी. विशाल, डू कम ऑन स्टेज यार. बिग डील. सोलो कंपोजर आज की डेट पे, मतलब एक आदमी के साथ तो एक गाना या एक अंतरा बनता है आजकल. एंड नाउ यू आर डूइंग द होल फिल्म. दिस इज रियली रियली बिग डील एंड लॉट्स ऑफ ट्रस्ट ऑन यू एंड लॉट्स ऑफ प्रेशर आल्सो ऑन यू.
It's been a wonderful process actually. पूरा म्यूजिक पहले गाने से लेके आखिरी गाने तक हम लोगों ने कुछ गाने सब साथ में बनाया. इट वाज जस्ट अ टीम एफर्ट दैट वी डिड. एंड बिग बॉस के घर पे भी जाके गाने बनाए हमने. वहाँ पे भी सर वाज गाइडिंग. एंड it's been such a team effort कि अब जब गाने completion की तरफ जा रहे हैं, so I feel extremely nostalgic and grateful about everything. So yeah.
Superb. I can't wait to actually hear the tracks also. It's going to be amazing. We're going to take some fan questions also. यहाँ पे मैं माइक का है, मैं एक फैन क्वेश्चन लेना चाहूँगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे प्लान ही ये था जी.
पहले बच्चे लोग क्या बोलना चाहोगे आप?
सिर्फ 1-2. Where can I take it? Yeah, one sec.
मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया और मुझे कपिल सर, फिरदौस मैम और सलमान खान बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं.
So sweet. अब तुम्हारी एज में मैं पूछ भी नहीं सकता कि फेवरेट फिल्म सलमान सर की आपको कौन सी पसंद है. तो आई एम नॉट क्वाइट श्योर कि हाउ फार बैक वी कैन गो. अच्छा, तुम में से किसका फेवरेट, सलमान सर का फेवरेट फिल्म कौन सा है? तुम सबसे बड़े लग रहे हो. डू यू वांट टू से इट? यस. व्हिच इज योर फेवरेट फिल्म?
माय फेवरेट फिल्म ऑफ सलमान सर इज टाइगर जिंदा है.
मेरी बजरंगी भाईजान है. तो सलमान सर जब रोते हैं वो बहुत ऐसा डर.
नहीं
नो, अच्छा सॉरी.
सलमान सर मुझे रोते हुए बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं.
अच्छा, स्वीट. Yeah, okay, go.
Hello. Hi sir, this is Gary here. Sir, my question is to Zahir.
अच्छी लगती है उसकी बहुत सारी.
हाँ.
मुझे बजरंगी फिल्म बहुत अच्छी लगती है इसकी बहुत अच्छी.
आप जिस तरह बोलते हो वो इतने एक्साइटिंग है. ये एक सवाल ले लेते हैं. Go ahead, buddy.
Hi sir, this is Gary here. First of all, sir, I'm a very big fan, Salman sir. And my question is to Zahir sir. I have heard that this full movie has been shot in Kashmir. So what was your best experience while shooting this movie?
Hi, how are you? Thank you all for being here firstly. My best experience of Kashmir was my interaction with the people there. I think I've traveled a lot, but I haven't met such loving people anywhere in the world. I want to say this, that एक होता है कि आप किधर जाओ और आप किसी के घर जाओ और वो मेहमान नवाजी करे, आपको खाना खिलाए and they're nice to you. और एक होता है कि पकड़ के कि नहीं घर आओ यार, घर आओ, थोड़ा खाना खा लो, थोड़ा मेरे घर पे अच्छी चाय बनती है, आप पी लो. So it's those kind of people there, where बुला के they are so hospitable there. So yeah.
That's brilliant. Yeah.
Okay, Facebook पर भी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन आए थे. मैंने कल ट्विटर पर बहुत सारे सवाल किए थे. इतने सारे सवाल आ गए. Salman sir, this is going to be for you and Pranutan. If you got a chance to peek into Salman sir's notebook, what do you think you'll find? Salman sir, you'll also have to see if she gets that right. Pranutan, what do you think you'll find? Be honest. This is not checking on the left and then deciding the answer. Sir.
You'll find crosses and red underlined marks.
Really?
And first of all, she would not have any approach to my notebook or my diary, because if she opens it, she'll die of a heart attack.
So that means you would never.
The father will die of a heart attack. What?
You know, we've spoken to almost everyone on stage over here. Zahir's dad is also here, sir. 2011 की तो 2011 जो रुपए हैं उनकी तो ब्याज बनते चले गया. But first time seeing your son on stage, seeing on the big screen, क्या feeling रही आपकी sir?
बहुत अच्छा feel हो रहा है. Just love it. And Salman is there, not to worry. So happy for him.
Yeah, it's almost like a fixed deposit, right? You know that you're going to get a guaranteed return. 100%. तालियां हो जाए सबके लिए.